You can see my iPhone is approximately zooming to 100x. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can zoom your iPhone camera up to 100x without any extra lens. So let's start the video. The first thing you have to do is open your app store and here search zoom 100x camera. Now this first app appears, tap on it and download it. I have already downloaded it. After downloading, you have to open this app and now listen it carefully. There are two options, one is photo and the other is video. When you select video option, it will zoom up to 65x, and when you select photo, it will zoom up to 94x. So these are the two differences between video and photo. I will also show you in the outdoor as well. Here are the outdoor samples. My iPhone is zooming up to 100x in the outdoor, and the picture is almost to the same as Samsung 100x zoom camera. So by applying this method, you can easily use 100x in your iPhone without any extra lens. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.